Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button before diving into this story. Ever wonder what your favorite anime characters might order for breakfast? Um, what if McDonald's decided to predict their ideal orders? That thought might seem quirky, but it sparked a surprising marketing campaign. And imagine a world where uh, fast food meets anime fandom. Recently, McDonald's released a fun and unexpected lineup of breakfast favorites dedicated to beloved anime protagonists. Fans got a glimpse of their heroes' snack cravings, detailed through creatively designed meal packages and themed backgrounds. The campaign wasn't just random picks. Each character's order was carefully chosen to reflect their personality or story. For example, Mao Mao from the Apothecary Diaries is shown with a neatly folded bag against a green backdrop, symbolizing her orderly nature. Conversely, Kafka's meal appears squashed together, hinting at his chaotic character in Kaiju no, um, famous characters like Ichigo from Bleach get strawberry preserves, a nod to his name, while Jinwoo from Solo Leveling requests extra grape jam, echoing the series' recurring great motif. Fans of Dawn to Dawn, Blue Lock, and Ranma Half also saw their favorites' food choices featured proudly on social media. Now, here's where things get amusing. Bit text. Yep, and McDonald's claimed Luffy from One Piece ordered a steak egg and cheese bagel with extra meat or extra meat. But honestly, does that sound like what Luffy would really pick? Not quite. Luffy is known for his unlimited love of meat and enormous appetite. Um, he could probably eat a whole kitchen worth of food and still be hungry. And Luffy's eating way beyond ordinary limits. After battles or intense adventures, his hunger is legendary gator. It's said he could beat a giant in food consumption, eating as he sleeps, snacks in hand, and still ask for more. Honestly, even McDonald's with their extra uh, meat orders might struggle to keep pace with his speed. If you're curious, you can explore the One Piece manga on Viz Media or catch the anime streaming on Crunchyroll. And just between us, I think if Luffy ordered his favorite breakfast, he'd say, just give me everything you've got in the kitchen. Remember to subscribe and like for more fun stories. And here's a joke. Why did Luffy bring a ladder to McDonald's? Because he heard their food was on another level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.